about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
What's up, Glam Squad? Today we are 4 days until vacation and 2 days until I move. So I'm like doing a lot, but my place is about 50% packed up. This is my room right now. I still have stuff on the floor because, well, I had to sleep on my bed and it was all on my bed. But yeah, all of the drawers and stuff are empty. Everything is emptied out. Under my bed is empty. So we have that. This one is not empty. My closet. Say, hey Harlem, you helping move too? You helping? Closet is empty, baby. And this thing that pulls out under the bed, completely empty. So what you see existing is the last of my room that needs to be cleaned up and packed away. And all this big stuff, the movers will get off my pillow, boy. All the existing stuff, you know, the movers will move. So when we come into my living room, I haven't packed up my kitchen. I have boxes and stuff over here. But what I'm doing in the kitchen is I am cooking some meals. So I'm basically doing like meal prep for the next 2 days. I have some steak on. I have some chicken going because I am doing 2 different kinds of pasta. I'm doing some chicken Alfredo, and then I'm also doing like a spaghetti sauce. And then I have some fish. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I want my fridge to be basically empty. So in the freezer, we've been drinking a lot of smoothies. So the smoothies, the fruits are almost gone. And all my meats are gone. I literally just have 2 different types of meats left, and those may just have to be thrown out. But I want to make sure to eat all the food, so I'm not eating out. And like, yeah, making sure my refrigerator is empty. We're eating all of it. All right, guys, I've completed my cooking in this apartment that I'm in. So for lunch today, I did fried fish and fries, and then I did some steak with some rice, some chicken Alfredo, and then this is some chicken pork spaghetti that I just pulled together with what I had left in the refrigerator. And bam, she's empty. We were gonna make another smoothie today, and then just this breakfast stuff will come. I have some of the cheese bread to go with the spaghetti and the pasta. So by the time Wednesday comes, like, all of this will be gone. And then the only other really thing, I have some watermelon that will be gone. I did have some salad, so I like salad, but yeah, I need to eat up the food that I have, so I won't get any more. The only other thing I have is some biscuits and eggs, and I guess that will be made on Wednesday morning when we're getting ready to move, or maybe tomorrow. But yeah, it's coming together in the kitchen. So I'm about to chomp down on some food, put the rest up, and then wash the dishes so I can prep the kitchen to be packed up. If you are looking for boxes for moving, you can go to U-Haul. Any U-Haul that's close to you, they sell boxes for like $1. So I'm about to head over to U-Haul and pick up some more boxes. I need about 6 more. I need like 3 for the kitchen as far as like my seasonings, pots, and I don't know, I need 1 more for whatever else that needs to go over there. Then I need a box for makeup, all my makeup, so I can just put all my makeup in one. I need a box for hair stuff that can go in one. And then I just need 1 more box for like my bedding when it's time for that to be picked up. My bedding, the pillows that can go into a box. Oh, I need 1 more box for the stuff that's, so I need about 10 more boxes for me to like just be completely like packed up and everything's in it. My toaster. I don't need a microwave at my new place because it has one, but I don't know. The microwave has to go somewhere. So yeah, I'm about to go, and then while I have Craig's help, just do a few more things around here. But he has been editing. He's over there. I know he's been quiet. He's been quiet because he's been editing. Okay, I'm leaving out. Lego. these are the boxes that I got. Also another place you can get boxes from, which I got these from, are Amazon. Those are about $35 when I could just walk around the corner and get, well, I got 10 of those, and I got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, okay, so it's about the same amount. Like, I paid $38 with the wrapping paper and all that. So it just depends on what you want. So you can go to your U-Haul, or you can order boxes online through Amazon. It just takes like 1 to 2 days. So that's that. Got my boxes. All right, guys, so it is coming along. We have all these boxes over here. Harlem, you been helping? You been helping, baby? Yeah. And my room is basically finished. All this up. It's actually an echo in here now. I have the hiccups. These are the clothes that I'm taking or I'm wearing, so I have to have a bag. This is completely empty. This I just don't know what to do with. And yeah, drawers are empty. Harlem, look, you can actually walk in here. Closet is empty. Oh my god, this was the smallest closet ever. I hated it. I actually can show you guys my view now. This was the view that I looked at all the time. I'm gonna miss it. I'm so gonna miss it. I didn't really look out this window like that. I mean, yeah. Oh my god, quick story. So when I was in LA, I really wanted McDonald's. I was like, oh my god, I really wanted McDonald's, but stuff is just, okay, hiccups. Stuff is just, no, Harlem, no, what are you doing? Nope, that's why you was up. For you guys that are puppy potty training as well, or are planning to, Harlem having an accident right now was not just his fault, although he knows where his pads are. It was my fault too, because I did not take him out and take him over to the pad and say go potty. When I take him out after he has napped, I have to guide him over to his section, and I kind of get comfortable because I know he knows where it's at now, but I still have to do the same routine. So because I didn't do that, him using the bathroom somewhere else, I didn't guide him to the bathroom. So the next time he comes out, I will go over there and say go potty. I need to make sure you potty before you can roam my house. So I'm about to eat and watch TV, and he'll be able to come out after I finish eating. Guys, Harlem hasn't been the easiest today. I don't know. So timeout for him. He just got out of timeout and now he's back in it. I don't know if it's new territory that he's exploring. Anyways, I was telling you, and the hiccups won't let me be great. I need to get this spot up, but I was craving McDonald's. I never go to McDonald's. I live right beside McDonald's, and I can count how many times I've been there. But whenever I'm not by it, I'm just like, oh my god, I have to have McDonald's. Now, any other time, I am not stunting no McDonald's, and it's right here. I'm gonna miss this place. Now I gotta mommy duties. Good morning, guys. Good morning, Harlem. Today's the day I'm going to sign my new lease for my new apartment. Harlem, baby, we're moving. We're moving. Are you excited? Are you excited that we're moving? So I'm about to get up and head to the bank and then head over there. Potty, baby. Boy. Good boy, baby. Good boy, Harlem. Yeah. Good morning, sugar love. Good morning, Harlem. Good morning. Alright guys, I'm basically ready. I'm about to put Harlem up and give him some food. You ready, baby? You ready for mommy to get you food and stuff? And I'm heading out to get this money and go to Brooklyn and sign my lease. All right, guys, just signed my lease. Now I'm going to my eyelash appointment because I still have to get together like my nails and stuff for the trip that I'm going on this Friday. I'm moving in tomorrow. Everything's set. Everything's great. So I got to get everything together at my apartment, which is almost together. And then, yeah, I probably should get my nails done today so I don't have to stress about, but what if I break a nail tomorrow? I shouldn't break a nail. I'm hiring people to move my shit. I might get my nails done. Harlem, how do you feel it being our last night here? Huh? Get in your bed. Time to go night-night. It's time to go night-night. My last night staying in my first apartment ever. At this point, I'm just tired. I'm ready for this to be over, but I had so many great memories here. And I had a great year in New York, and I learned so many things. So just like moving out and like thinking about all those things today, just like, oh, bittersweet. I'm gonna miss her. So this building does not have 2 bedrooms. They only have 1 bedroom, like out the whole building. So that's why I'm not staying in the same building, because, well, they don't have bigger units. So I'm moving. Harlem, come here. What are you doing? No. No, you stuck. Look at him, stuck. Come on. Crazy dog. Don't go over there. Harlem, this is the last time at this place. We're going to a new place. Yeah, you sheepy. Let's see what Craigie Craig is doing. Let's see what Craigie Craig is doing. Craigie Craig is sleeping.
We're gonna miss this apartment.
I know. It seems like so much space now that everything is like
right
out. Look, this is our last time seeing this view, Harlem. Last time seeing this view. Place is completely empty. It looks like when I first moved in here. Oh my God, I can't believe I did it. We did it. It's empty. Jeez. We're leaving. We're leaving to the new house. To the new. What the freak is going on? Are you excited?
It's so spacious, yeah.
I know, we got room now, but the new place, more room, more room, more room, more room, more room, more room, more room. You ready to get that boo-boo? Ready to get that?
Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.